Okay, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, unboxing.com.com. Now, this is, I have my assistant here. This is the Oneblade, Philips Oneblade face and body. Now the unboxing expert goes to unbox this. Go ahead, my expert. I have a special, it's the same person that unboxed my this this person only unboxing Philips products before unboxing this wake up light, sunlight from Philips also. This box is a little bit handy. It's brand new and it's branded Philips. Very good product from Philips. Philips is a Dutch brand. In the beginning they made mostly radios and hi-fi products, but now they also do, since long time, have done shaving things also. It's a little bit tricky to unbox this. You have to be patient. Patience is not my best side, but this time I need to be patient. And the expert doing this. And please subscribe to my channel. Unboxing, YouTube unboxing.com. It's nice to have a private unboxer. Comes here with some information, white paper. It's been very difficult to unbox this thing. Maybe the unboxer is tired. Getting nervous maybe to be on video. And the package is very careful. Make it a little bit, take time to open this Oneblade. Wow, nice stuff, nice stuff. So this you can be used on your face and everywhere you want to shave, and you can shave wrong direction and things like that. Yeah, let me have a good view. Looks like this. It's yellow vinyl and yellow things. Very nice thing. I will make another video when I'm using it as well. So please subscribe. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.